This is rural America, where each day begins quietly.
Far from crowded cities, life moves at its own pace.
Here, nature sets the rhythm, not the clock.
The land wakes up slowly, just like the people who live on it.
Homes like these are built on patience and time.
Farming is not just work here, it's tradition.
Every tool carries a story.
Nothing here feels rushed.
Even silence feels alive.
Life stays simple, practical, and grounded. These fields feed families and towns.
Work follows the seasons, not the schedule.
Old ways still matter.
Progress here moves gently. Small towns may seem quiet, but their stories run deep.
Time feels different here.
Life is familiar. Everyone belongs somewhere. Community remains strong.
Pride is quiet but deep. Learning feels personal here.
Journeys begin close to home. Memories are made slowly.
Space brings peace.
Nature is always near.
The road is never crowded.
Beauty grows naturally.
The day slowly settles.
Evenings arrive gently.
Work rests with the sun.
Nothing feels urgent. Home feels warmer.
Night approaches quietly.
Silence feels natural. The sky feels endless.
Everything slows.
Stillness takes over. Every season leaves its mark. Time passes gently. Winter brings quiet. The land rests. Life always returns. The cycle continues. Each year feels familiar.
Time leaves its marks.
Neighbors feel close. Hard work stands strong.
The world passes by.
History remains.
Some things never change. Every day begins again.
Quiet and steady. Life moves freely. Calm fills the land.
Stillness feels complete. Night settles in.
Time feels distant. Rural America lives on.
Slow, simple, real.
This is life in rural America today.
If you enjoyed this peaceful journey through rural America, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more calm stories.